Hi guys, my name is Matt Hernandez. Today we're doing indoor female sports portraits with a beauty dish. Our second light is going to be a simple reflector with a grid and a gel that act as a rim light or a hair light. After that, we're going to bring in a Haze machine to create a little bit of atmosphere in the air and add some texture. These two images are similar in a lot of ways. They're also very different in the background. What a haze or fog machine is going to do is it's going to add texture into the air. So that's going to benefit you if you have a rim light behind somebody. It's going to catch that fog and it's going to spread it out. In this case, we have a blue gel on it, so it really makes that color spread out and can add a lot of drama into your image. So today we use the Collapsible Beauty Dish. It's one of my favorite modifiers because you can create so many different looks with it. It's very versatile. You can create a dramatic, edgy look that might be good for a male. You can also create a lighter, airier look for a female, like we did today. It's also very portable. It folds up, weighs hardly anything, and you can take it pretty much anywhere. Hope everybody enjoyed the video. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.